Say, I just took a bath. I'm nice and clean and I smell good. And I look pretty. And it's a hot day. It's a nice hot day. So I'm just relaxing in my towel. Who's that? Everybody's on Mommy's messy bed? Yeah. Do you have shoes on? No. Can you take your shoes off Mommy's bed? No. You got your sandals on. Look. Ew. Not on the bed. No shoes on the bed. You gotta take them off. Take off the shoes. They're not dirty, but we don't need. This is going to be a boring video, me taking off the shoes. But look at that! Your foot is dirty! Look at that dirt on your foot! What is that? Ew, Finley. Not on my bed. Look at my sheets, they're clean. Ew, what's on your foot? Go clean your feet off. Go. Get your feet off my bed. You're such a boy with your dirty feet, Finley. I see you. I see you. I can see you. I can see you. Isla, where'd you find your bib? Should we put a diaper on you? Isla. Isla. Isla, Mama's talking to you.
Hey, Isla.
Yeah. Hey, can you take this out for a minute? Hey, I want to ask you a question. I want to ask you something. Okay, take your Maya out. Okay, take it all the way out. I want to ask you something. Can you say done?
Done.
Well, you got to take out Maya. I can't hear you. Oh, you're going to bed? You're putting yourself to bed?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a kiss. Take Maya out and give me a kiss. Okay, and what do you say?
Night.
Night. Say night, night.
Night.
Can you say night, night?
Night.
Say good night, Mommy. Good night, Mama. Okay. Sweet dreams. I love you.
Night.
Hi, I love you. What do you think about going to bed, Isla? Isla.
Isla.
You're in sleep, remember? Night night. We better put a diaper on her before she goes pee-pee on the bed, huh? Maybe she already went pee-pee in the tubby. Isla. What do you got there? Look at her pretty eyes. You're trying to eat that. Are you trying to eat that? Isla. Isla.